You're not jumping on there.
What?
What?
Where'd they go?
Daddy's inside. Do you think Daddy could hopscotch?
There's a hopscotch.
Do you think Daddy would be good at hopscotch? Hey Gavin, do you want to sing Soul Sister?
For Mommy?
Yeah.
Hey, Soul Sister, what is a singer you do? Cause Mommy. Cause Mommy.
Hey Gavin, do you know what ADD is?
ADD?
Yeah.
It's Hey, Soul Sister.
Oh. Well, you were singing and then you got distracted.
I got distracted.
Do you know any other songs that you want to sing?
This is a couple, sister, do, 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 do. Please, stupid, stupid, boo. We're Mexico.
Are you beatboxing? Don't put that in your mouth.
We're Mexico.
Inside.
Maxis that come out.
Maybe.
Maxis that come out.
You have chalk on your nose.
Mexican party.
Yeah.
Mexican party.
Hey Gavin, what did we do today?
Do the day.
What did we do today?
What did do the
Do you not remember? Did we go for a drive?
to go for a drive?
Yeah.
And we did go. Where did that go?
Where did we go?
Where did we go? Where did we go?
Do you remember?
Do you remember? Remember? Is that lobster, Mommy?
Yeah, Mommy tried to draw a lobster.
Is that lobster, Mommy?
Hey Gavin, why don't we wear socks with sandals?
Yes. Yes, that's
Yeah, why shouldn't you wear socks with sandals?
fashion faux pas.
It's a fashion faux pas. So, oh well. We're too cute to worry about fashion.
Fashion faux pas.
Yeah.
That's Daddy's car.
That's Daddy's car now. He drives it most.
Oh, it's Mommy's car.
Do you want to say anything else on the video before I turn it off?
Turn it off.
Do you want to say anything else?
Turn it off.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Do you want to blow the camera a kiss?
About
Okay, say bye-bye.